Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Toyota Corolla 2.0 VVT-h Excel CVT. This vehicle is a petrol hybrid which has an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant and is finished in Eclipse Black Metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the Eclipse Black Metallic exterior colour. Moving along the side of the vehicle, you can find your privacy glass, which is located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot space, you can find that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the perforated black leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 9,558 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. This vehicle also features head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, and of course your rear camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you do in fact have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. This vehicle also features a wireless charging pad, allowing you to keep your wireless charging compatible devices charged whilst on the go. And as well as this, both you and your passenger travelling in the front also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. This has been a presentation on the Toyota Corolla 2.0 VVT-h Excel CVT that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.